Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon with the plus sign on it. This is the power saving mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have access only to the date, time, battery percentage, and these steps, I believe. Yes. And to disable the power saving mode, you will need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you return to the normal mode. It takes about 3 seconds, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.